Introducing the Zemits FrioLift, a revolutionary cryothermal system for comprehensive skin rejuvenation. The Zemits FrioLift is an innovative solution that combines cryotherapy and RF skin tightening to tackle key skin concerns: loss of firmness and elasticity. Collagen and elastin production decreases as we age, leading to sagging skin. FrioLift stimulates the production of these proteins, improving skin tone and texture. Undefined facial contours. Over time, facial contours can lose their clarity. The RF technology and cryo-cooling work to accentuate these contours, resulting in a more defined and youthful appearance. Double chin and localized fat deposits. FrioLift's cryo-thermal therapy targets the hypodermal layer, reducing fat volume, particularly in the chin area. Expression lines and deep wrinkles. This contrast therapy effectively reduces wrinkles by stimulating regenerative processes in the skin, enhancing its elasticity. Dull complexion. Combining cryo and RF technologies improves microcirculation, giving the skin a fresh, radiant, and healthy appearance. The Zemits FrioLift system features a modern ergonomic design and an intuitive interface that allows for easy customization of treatments for each client. It has 3 RF handpieces of varying sizes for the face, neck, and décolleté, and 1 cryotherapy handpiece. The applicators are made from medical-grade steel, ensuring safety. This groundbreaking technology combines 2 non-invasive rejuvenation techniques: deep heating with radiofrequency energy and cryo-cooling. The contrasting effects stimulate neocollagenesis, enhancing collagen and elastin production. The wide temperature range during cryotherapy allows skin toning and fat reduction, a breakthrough for estheticians. Zemits FrioLift is a game-changer for estheticians seeking effective and safe skin rejuvenation solutions. By blending cryo-cooling and radiofrequency energy, practitioners can achieve a lifted and firmer face. The device can target superficial and deeper skin layers, making it ideal for treating the face, hands, and eye area while facilitating natural fat freezing for lifting effects in the chin and neck areas. Unique rejuvenation protocol for estheticians. The Zemits FrioLift treatment offers an innovative and unique rejuvenation protocol that will impress your clients with remarkable results. The treatment begins with RF skin tightening, which deeply warms the skin to activate collagen and elastin production, ensuring immediate lifting. This is followed by cryotherapy, creating a thermal shock that enhances the lifting effect and sharpens facial contours. The treatment concludes with another RF skin tightening stage, securing lasting results and improving skin tone and texture. This non-invasive protocol suits all skin types, making your treatments unique and desirable among clients. Clients notice changes after one treatment. Skin becomes firmer, facial contours are lifted, and double chins diminish. Due to the high demand for cryothermal rejuvenation treatments, estheticians also appreciate the ease of use and quick return on investment. The Zemits FrioLift is a profitable investment for your salon. Its high treatment effectiveness, minimal consumable costs, and fast return on investment make this device an ideal choice for every esthetician. The Zemits Family Club is an exclusive community for estheticians and salon owners using Zemits equipment. Membership offers unique benefits: access to free training, regular webinars, marketing materials, expert support, and special offers and discounts on new equipment. The Family Club helps estheticians continuously develop, stay ahead of the competition, and provide innovative solutions in beauty services. Request a full presentation and special pricing. Visit our website to inquire and receive a complete presentation and special pricing for the Zemits FrioLift.